Hi friends, welcome to another Grove Collaborative haul video. I have not done one, I think, for a while. It feels like, sorry, I look really...
Hi!
Sorry, I look really like a mess right now. I have been filming a cleaning video today, so I am not wearing any makeup and I am just a sweaty mess. Yeah. He wants to be part of the video. Okay. All right, so I will show you really quick how cute what they did with the box and how they package things if you are curious, right here.
Oh.
I just thought this was so cute. They wrote, "Thanks, Siobhan," and they put a smiley face on there. I thought it was so cute and very personable. All right, so this is how they package things in case you were wondering. So it's nicely packaged with all these paper in here just to keep things in place. And yeah, this is what I got and I'm about to show you now. All right, you guys, so let me start. I wanted to try this. I wanted to try this scent for Mrs. Meyers. All right, so Sean to the rescue. He's gonna take him outside and they're gonna play with these things he got for his birthday. So anyways, as I was saying, there's a couple scents I wanted to try from the Mrs. Meyers brand. There's one I don't think it's a seasonal one, but it's because it's been out there, I think, since before the fall season scents were out. I've been wanting to try it. So it is, but it is a limited edition scent. So I haven't tried it yet, so I'm excited to try this. It is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day multi-purpose or multi-surface everyday cleaner in the scent of Compassion Flower. So I thought that'd be really cool. I got just one of these for right now because I'm not a huge florally scent type of person. So we'll see how I like it. If I do like it a lot, I will order it again before it's out of stock. And on the side note for that too, or in addition to that, I should say actually, I got the Mrs. Meyers hand soap in that same scent, Compassion Flower. That'd be really pretty. I like the packaging too. The coloring is really, really pretty. So I got this hand soap too. All right, so this is a new fall scent that they are carrying that I'm trying out. I got it in 2 of them just because I heard it smells really good and I like this kind of, I don't know, I think I'd like this a lot. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I didn't waste my money. So I got 2 of the limited edition scents from Mrs. Meyers. It is also multi-surface spray cleaners and it is in the scent of Acorn Spice. So I got 2 of them. I thought this would be really fun to try out. I will be putting this in the second part of this video, second day, because I'm still in day 1 of the cleaning video that I was working on. So day 2, you'll be seeing me using these. So I'm excited for that. And then I also got the hand soap in that scent of Acorn Spice. So I thought the packaging of that is really cute too. Cute little acorns. Let me show you these. Yeah, I'm excited for this and excited to try these out as well. Also, I did get this. It is from the Full Circle brand. It is the Lean and Mean Scrub Brush. So this is what it kind of looks like. There's this, and it has I think it'd be easy to grab it, but I'm scrub. I don't know, I kind of wanted something that was like a heavy duty, not really heavy duty. I do have a heavy duty scrubber, but I feel like this would be a really good scrubber to easy to grab and stuff. And also there's a spot where I can either hook it onto something and then maybe even use this as a scraper. I'm not sure exactly, but I'm excited to try this out. Again, it's from Full Circle. I did get this from Grove, and I believe they sell Full Circle brand at Target as well. All right, and then last but definitely not least, I wanted to get this for my kitchen. It is the Grove Collaboration brand glass dish soap bottle. So they have them in multiple different colors for the silicone part, and also I do have a glass dish disposal or dish soap bottle from them as well, but it has a print on it in a color that it's not my everyday color I want to go for. I just wanted something super simple this time, and so I just got white. Just white. I like the whole idea of like, see, it has like the little Grove Collaborative little symbol there, but I really like this. I just thought it'd be really nice and just have it simple and white for the kitchen because I like the whole farmhouse style look, and I feel like white would be really good for that. So I got this. This was $12.95, I believe, for just the bottle, but it is a glass bottle and it is quite big. And the other pump that I've used with this before works incredible, so this I'm sure will be just great too. So this was $12.95. This was $5.95, I believe, or $4.95. These were $2.95 each, I believe. And then these spray bottles, I think these were $3.95 each, I think. So I had a $10 credit on my account with Grove because one of my subscribers did use my special code to start shopping from Grove as well, and it gave me a $10 credit. So if you guys would like to do that to help me out some more, if you haven't tried out Grove yet, I would be so appreciative. I would love that forever. I will put a code right here and also in the description box below. That'd be fantastic, and yeah, I would really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope this was fun, and I hope it just kind of made you excited for what you can get from Grove if you haven't got anything like that from Grove yet. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos to come, like this cleaning video I've been working on, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I need my friends. All right, bye now. Come here. You want to say bye-bye?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Come here. Come here.
bye.
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 You're so silly.
Bye.